A very good morning to all the children of class 3 and welcome to your English literature class. This is your Shatabdi ma'am and we were doing chapter number 6, that is the curious baby elephant. We did a bit of it yesterday, that how the baby elephant was curious and how he wanted to know everything around. He wanted to know about giraffe, he wanted to know about the ostrich, he wanted to know about the turtle, everybody around. So we will just quickly revise what he wanted to know and then proceed with the story. Let's see. So here comes, that is, there was a time when the elephant's nose was no bigger than a boot. He could move it from one side to the other, from left to right. But an elephant's child changed all that. So an elephant's child changed all that, that is the shape or the size of the trunk. He was such a curious fellow that he always asked many questions about many questions. He would ask questions about anything that he saw or heard or felt or smelled or touched, exactly like us. We all do the same, isn't we? Yes. Aren't we do the same? Correct. He asked the ostrich why her tail feather grew just so. This, can you see the tail feather? So why it is just growing like that? He asked the giraffe what made his skin so spotty. He asked giraffe why your skin is spotty. He asked the hippo why his eyes were red, and baboon why melons tasted as they did. His parents were really tired of him, and all his uncles and aunts and all the relatives were tired of this elephant. So they would spank him, means beat him little lightly and scold him for that. So the next part is that, what does a crocodile have for dinner? He asked one day. So one day the baby elephant was very curious to know that what does the crocodile have for dinner. Shh, said all the animals. Shh, said all the animals. But he won't stay quiet. He kept on asking everybody he met. One day he met the Kolo bird. She told him where he would find an answer. Now this bird, everybody was avoiding this small curious baby elephant, that don't ask about crocodile. Shh, don't ask about crocodile. So everybody told him to stay quiet, but he was curious. He wanted to know everything. So he kept on asking everybody he met. And one day he met a bird whose name was Kolo. What is the name of the bird? Kolo. And the bird said that he would find the answer where crocodile lives. Oh my God. Now let's see what happens with the crocodile. Go to the grey, green, greasy Limpopo River. Where did the bird tell the elephant to go? The bird told the elephant to go to the grey, green, greasy Limpopo River. She said, you will find your answer there. So the elephant, the curious baby elephant, ran fast and off he went, carrying a load of bananas and sugarcane and melons. So he wanted to feed the crocodile also. He would be hungry on the way. He carried this bananas, sugarcane and melon for himself because he would be hungry on his way. So after a week of trudging and budging, he reached where he had to reach. At the edge of the river, he spotted on what he thought was a log of wood. He thought that it was a log of wood, means a piece of wood. It winked one. Winked means when you blink your eyes. Okay, that is called winking. It winked one eye. Excuse me, but have you seen a crocodile in these parts? Asked the elephant child politely. Asked the baby elephant. The creature winked the other eye and half lifted his tail out of the mud. "I am the crocodile," he said. The elephant's child grew excited and knelt down. "I have been looking for you all these days," he said. "Will you please tell me what you have for your dinner?" So now children, what do you think the crocodile has for dinner? It's your task to take out what the crocodile is having for dinner. Okay. Now, can you see the picture here? And you have already read what I have written? Yes. So you have to think and you have to predict. You will not read the story ahead, but you will think and predict the scene in page number 46. Like, what do you think this scene is all about? Okay. Before we proceed to the next video, we will see what is this picture all about. Okay. So that's all for today. We will keep up with the surprise. You will read these 2 pages and let's see what the elephant, what happens to this elephant. Poor elephant. My goodness, the crocodile is just biting the whole trunk. So let's see. He's getting hurt too. So let's see what happens to the crocodile. So that's what happens to the elephant. So that's all for today, children. Take care of your health and don't do naughtiness.